How to troubleshoot FACEIT verification failures. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can troubleshoot FACEIT verification failures. First, open Chrome on your device and go to faceit.com. Then, log into your account by entering your email address and password. Then tap on the login option. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll until you find the FACEIT verified option, select that. Now use the open camera button. FACEIT requires a real-time selfies, no uploads, no screenshots, no edited photos. Remove glasses, use soft but bright lighting, avoid shadows and keep a natural expression. Next thing you want to do is fix document verification errors. Make sure you're using the original physical ID, not a screenshot of an ID. Make sure that the entire ID is visible or four corners. The text is readable. Do not take a photo of a screen that displays your ID. Next, you want to check your country settings. FACEIT verifies documents based on the country linked to your profile. You also want to identify the exact error message. FACEIT provides small error messages such as face mismatch, document unreadable, unsupported document type, country mismatch. Understand the message helps you fix the exact cause. If verification still fails, you want to contact the FACEIT support, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.